Okay, I'm getting ready to take the DOGS for an RIDE. You got to see their reaction. I've already said it, so they're a little loud, but get ready. Want to go for a ride? Want to go, Papa?
They're ready for the ride.
You want to go for a ride?
They like rides.
You think? You think they do? Want to go, Bye-bye? Open the door for him. Well, we're getting ready to go.
Yeah, they're ready.
You ready, Alyssa?
Yeah.
Okay, we're taking them for a run.
Yep, we're taking them for
It's Maria from Still Dreaming Homestead. Well, I pray blessings on you and yours, in your house, out of your house, and day and night. Whatever you do, try to make your dogs this happy.